Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through how to turn on tag notifications for posts where you're tagged by friends of friends on Facebook. If you want to stay informed about posts that mention you, this step-by-step process will help you set it up quickly. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once the app is running, navigate to the menu by tapping the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner on iOS or top right corner on Android. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a list of options. From there, tap on Settings to access your account's configuration options. Now, scroll down until you find the Preferences section. Under this section, tap on Notifications to manage how and when Facebook notifies you about different activities. In the Notifications menu, locate and tap on the Tags category. This is where you can adjust your preferences for tag-related notifications. Once inside the tag settings, look for an option labeled Get Notifications when you're tagged. Tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll see several choices for who can trigger tag notifications. Select Friends of Friends to ensure that you're notified not only when your direct friends tag you, but also when their friends do. After making this selection, don't forget to tap Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully enabled tag notifications for posts from friends of friends. By following these steps, you'll stay updated on posts where you're mentioned, giving you more control over your social interactions on Facebook. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance with their Facebook settings. Stay connected and enjoy your experience on Facebook.